how with the regular yoga practice we can remove the stored fat from our thighs. Namaste. I am Acharya Pratishtha. With the regular practice of yoga, we can remove and get rid of the thigh fat. Today, we are going to talk about it. Obesity is a major problem. And whether we talk about our brothers or our sisters, that is, whether we talk about male or female, everybody feels that it's very, very important to have a fit body and to have body in shape. If we walk or we run, we can shed overall weight. But if we talk about losing weight from a specific part of body, then we have no other option except following yoga. Fat, that stubborn fat that gets deposited at our thighs. What are those yogic practices that we need to follow and practice to get rid of that stubborn fat? Well, we don't need any other equipment, anything extra except willpower. I will be sharing these very easy yogic practices, but before that, let's listen to today's yoga thought. We have ample time. This single thought is the biggest obstacle in achieving anything in life. Live every day as if this is the last day. This is the only day. When you start living with this thought, you can achieve a lot in your life. We have a lot of time. Save yourself from this thought. Let's learn those easy yogic practices through which you can remove your stubborn thigh fat and you can get shape of your thighs. Lie down on your back and let's practice Chakrapad Gati. Lie down on your back, place your palms on the floor, keep your knees straight, and from your right leg make a big circle. Form a big circle clockwise, 10 times clockwise, and then 10 times anti-clockwise movement. Throughout the practice, we are not going to touch our right leg on the floor as shown in the video. Relax. After doing it 10 times from right leg, practice the same procedure from left leg, 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. This is going to help you in removing those extra weight from your thighs and also extra weight from your abdomen. Then relax. For the second practice, fold your both legs and also fold your hands. And just like we ride a bicycle, same way we have to give movement from our hands and legs. 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. And we are not going to touch our legs to the floor throughout the practice. So 10 repetitions is one round and we need to practice at least 3 repetitions. Then relax. No jerk should be there. Movement should be slow and synchronized. Practice these kriyas every day, and as I said, 10 repetitions is one round. Slowly, gradually increase the rounds and take your practice to 3 rounds. Don't jump straight away to doing it to 20 times altogether in the first attempt or 10 times in the first attempt. Begin with 5, gradually increase it to 10, then gradually increase the count. Practice these kriyas every day, but before leaving, do take our home remedies with you. First and most simple is make sure that you do morning walk if you want to lose weight from your thighs, you want to get thighs in shape. If you can't do morning walk, practice evening walk. First preference should be a morning walk. If you can't do morning walk, then you can opt for evening walk. Make sure that you spend at least 40 minutes in sunlight if you really want to stay healthy. And very, very important it is to spend time with Mother Nature. Spend time in nature and stop eating empty white sugar. You can replace sugar to shakkar, jaggery powder. There are many people who feel sugar and jaggery powder is same, and when they attend our discourses, they always ask, Acharya, sugar and jaggery is one and the same thing, right? No, it's not. Sugar is the white sugar, and Shakkar is, sometimes people call it jaggery powder, but it's actually not even jaggery powder. But yeah, you can say it's like a sister of jaggery, but it is not exactly jaggery powder. See, when you stop eating white sugar, of course you will shed a lot of weight, your body will come in shape, but more than that, you will start living a healthy life, because eating white sugar is the most violent thing you are doing to yourself. So replace sugar to shakkar, and make sure that you keep watching our program. To watch all of our videos in Hindi, subscribe at Bharat Yoga.